Salut tout le monde et bienvenue à Language Fluent. Je suis Ria, votre enseignante de langue française ici et aujourd'hui on va apprendre la cuisine. So hello everybody and welcome back to Language Fluent. I am Ria, your language instructor at Language Fluent, and today we are going to learn the things in the kitchen, that is la cuisine. The kitchen in French is being called as la cuisine. Okay, so this is the meaning of cuisine, right? That is kitchen. But we know what is kitchen is being called as. Kitchen is being called as la cuisine. But today we are going to learn about the things in the kitchen. All right, la cuisine. These are the cuisine here. That is the kitchen, the things in the kitchen. All right. So let's begin with it. And we are going to start with la cafetière. La cafetière. So usually these things are found in the kitchen of every French people or Indian as well. We all have these things in our house, in our kitchen as well, and also in every house across the world. So we need to learn these things in French as well. Alright, so these are very, very important. If you go in France, we don't know how to call a saucepan as or frying pan as. We don't know how to call that forks. I don't know how to call a fork, and how will I order those things in the restaurant? How will I talk to the person who is French and who I don't know how to call this fork as. So there is no point in getting so nervous about that. And there for you, I have a solution for you. So let's get started. Let's begin. The first and foremost thing is la cafetière. La cafetière. You must have heard about the cafetière in English as well, cafeteria or anything like that. So la cafetière is the coffee maker. The machine in France of making coffee is being called as la cafetière. Alright, la cafetière. Donne-moi ça cafetière. Give me that coffee maker. Alright. Le couvert. La couvert. Mind it, we don't speak T and S in French. We don't pronounce T and S in French. It's silent here. Le couvert. That is the cutlery. Cutlery have four things basically. La fourchette. Four things are these things. I'm going to explain all those one by one. First of all, we have fourchette. La fourchette. That is fork. It has four strands in the fork. If you have clearly and very concentratingly watched how the fork looks like, it's a fourchette in French. Fourchette. All right. La fourchette. Now, always remind that you need to repeat after me. Répétez après moi. Alright, you need to repeat after me and you need to concentrate that how I am speaking, because these are little typical words, but they are not at all difficult. You will get to learn in very interesting way with me. Alright. La fourchette is a fork. Le couteau. Le couteau. Le couteau. Always remind the cutting while reminding the meaning of how to speak the knife in French. Always remind cutting. Alright. Cut. Couteau. Couteau. Or a couteau as well. You can call couteau or a couteau. It's up to you. Couteau is a knife. Alright. La grosse cuillère. La grosse cuillère. That is a big spoon. As I've already told you, that four things: a fork, knife, big spoon, and a small spoon. Always very, very necessarily. Alright. It is always there on a table in a restaurant or in a house of a person in France or in India as well. Alright. Nowadays it's present in India as well. There's no big deal. La grosse cuillère. That is a big spoon. And a small spoon is le petite cuillère. La petite cuillère. La, obviously because it's feminine. La petite cuillère. La petite cuillère is a small spoon. Here we have la poêle. La poêle. La poêle. It looks like poêle, but it's not. There's a very funny thing here. Look at it. There is a circumflex. It is an accent of French. There's a circumflex. So you will learn further about it. But for now, just learn the pronunciation of la poêle. La poêle. La poêle is a frying pan. A frying pan where we fry the fishes and the nuggets or anything like any pancake a frying pan, alright? Then we have la casserole. La casserole. In India, we have a casserole where it has a lid and we keep the chapatis there. But in France, the typical casserole is a saucepan, not a chapati keeper at all. So it's a casserole, that is a saucepan in France. Alright, so let's move further with some more words, some more interesting words. So here we have some more words. Let's get into it as well. La poubelle. La poubelle, that is a bin, dustbin, and is always in the kitchen of everybody. Poubelle, la poubelle, a bin. Alright, then we have le réfrigérateur. Le réfrigérateur, and it's a refrigerator. If you don't want to call such a big name, that is refrigerator. It's quite big, quite lengthy. You can use le frigo. It's simple. Le frigo. It's quite simple. Le frigo, refrigerator. It's same. That is refrigerator. It's in the kitchen of everybody. Le micro-ondes. Le micro-ondes, that is microwave. Then we have le four, that is oven. Then we have une assiette, that is a plate. Un verre, that is a glass. Then we have un bowl, a serving bowl, which is, if you can put soup, you can put anything eatable into it, and you can have une grosse cuillère avec un bowl, that is a big spoon with a bowl to drink soup. That is a bowl, a grosse cuillère, alright? We have a big spoon and a bowl to drink soup, alright? A bowl, that is a bowl. We have une tasse, a cup, une tasse. Then we have une bouteille. Whenever we have E-I-L-L-E, when we have these things, it becomes a sound of bouteille, alright, not bouteille, not bouteille, it's bouteille. Y sound, that is a bottle, water bottle. Then we have une serviette, that is a napkin. We wipe our faces after eating our meal. Then we have une couche, that is a jug. We put some water into the saucepan, that is une casserole, or into the verre, that is glace. We put d'eau dans une verre avec une couche, that is we put some water, d'eau, dans, that is in the glass, that is verre, with the help of, that is avec une couche, that is a jug. Alright, I hope it's clear to you. On le répète, that is we are going to repeat it once again. Mind it that you need to thoroughly hear me out and then repeat. Alright, it's very important to repeat. La poubelle is a bin. La poubelle. Le réfrigérateur. Le réfrigérateur. Le micro-ondes. Le micro-ondes. Le four. Le four, that is oven. Une assiette. Une assiette is a plate. Un verre, that is glass. Un bowl. Un bowl is a bowl or a bowl. Un bowl. Une tasse. Une tasse. Cup. Une bouteille. Une bouteille, that is a bottle. What bottle? Une serviette. Une serviette. A napkin paper. Une couche. Une couche. A jug. Alright, so I hope you liked the video. I hope you found it very interesting, quite interesting. I've tried to make it very interesting for you guys to learn out. If you really like the video, please like, share and comment, and also don't forget to press the bell icon. And if you want to purchase the full course of French with us, you can always go into the description box right below my video. There is a form, you can fill that up, and also there's a contact number right below my video. You can call on those number, and also we provide the interpretation and translation services as well. You can go for it as well. Alright, merci beaucoup. Au revoir. Bisous bisous.